It's Tuesday, guys. I don't have too much to do today, but I want to get into doing this more often. My eye has a thing. I don't know what's going on with it, but just deal with me being a little droopy-eyed today, because either way I don't have a way to get rid of it right now. So we cleaned up the kitchen after a long kind of not feeling too hot. Jess and I have both kind of not be feeling the greatest, as you can tell by our lovely temporarily sick setup. So I'm going to take care of all this, get him some exercise, and I will see you when I come back. I get to now try to figure out how to put this air mattress back in the box. No one can actually put stuff they buy back in the original packaging. It's not a thing that's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try it. So let's figure that out. I always feel like when I'm cleaning, I'm making more of a mess than I am cleaning. And then that last 10 minutes is just like, when everything's perfectly clean. Just, it's crazy. I also have to sit down more than I'd like to. This fibro stuff is no joke. Gonna figure out a way to get rid of it though. Anyway, back to cleaning. Does every woman have more shoes than us guys think you have? Because I just found a whole honeypot of Jess's shoes that I didn't know existed, and quite a bit of them. So whew, I'm just gonna leave those alone. People have long-haired dogs, because this is what we deal with. We vacuumed a few days ago. It clogs. This. You pull this out, and here's where everything kind of comes in. You can see it. Granted, we already pulled a big clump out, but this. How? How is this possible? We vacuum all the time. And his hair just never stops. Alright, finally got everything cleaned up, ready for Jess to get home, and now I can finally start my day. What I like to do is with fibro, my left leg just, it sucks. So this thing, even without fibro, this thing is amazing. It just goes in, gives you a deep massage. I got this one actually at TJ Maxx for 30 bucks. So it's not really anything too expensive. The great thing about it is that it does have other attachments, so I can put like another one into my back, on my leg. So I'm gonna run through this, and then I will also do some stretching. I'll get into probably a 5 to 10 minute stretching session a couple times a day. I really like to stretch out my lower back, stretch out my legs, and really just try to elongate everything. I don't have an actual routine yet, but it is something that I'm looking into. I'm trying to like learn new things, what's working for me, and then yeah. Another thing that I have to do, I found that really helps me out, is keep a lacrosse ball just in the freezer, and then if you drop it, it really helps like any plantar fasciitis or anything like that. Just something I've picked up over the years of like trying to really be ready to go and just leave the house and not have any aches, pains, and be ready for the gym, run, do whatever active lifestyle you want to do, and you're just ready to go. Another thing I've started doing is I've started journaling. It's not so much something that I think I'm like this amazing person and I'm going to turn into a book one day. It's helping me with my memory. I'm writing down like things that I need to do for the day, as well as just random thoughts, and it just really helps kind of connect my physical body with my brain. Helps out a lot. I'm gonna go to the gym and do some stretching there. I need to just get out of the house. So by getting out, just gonna go get some stretching in and see a few friends, because I can't really work out yet, but get me out of the house, do something for the video. Started to rain. Couldn't finish that shot. I'm not trying to ruin a camera over that, but I am legitimately stone hold. So I have a sty. That's what's going on. Sty. It'll be going by the next video. But I'm doing something I don't know if you're supposed to do with everything that's going on with me, but I like doing it anyway. So I am going tanning. So I got everything done. Well, I didn't really have anything to do, but went in, saw some friends, got a little stretching done, and I went tanning even though I shouldn't, but whatever. And it's raining again. It just seems to always be raining down here right now. But whatever. Now I'm excited. Gonna continue listening to this podcast that I'm doing research for. On Thursday I got a really cool podcast with Dave Dolphin. He's a worship pastor out of California, I believe. Actually, no, I lied. Texas, I believe. So we're gonna get into that on Thursday. I need to get home and get some food. Driving this rain. completely forgot that I was going to go volunteer today. I'm volunteering at a farm for a hospital. Try to get some people some fresh vegetables. The thing with that is, I don't really understand. Well, not understand, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. So, and forgot the medication. I gotta go grab medication and run back downstairs. So. Now we get to go. That sucks. Uh-oh, everybody's hit me up. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I haven't done any work, volunteer, like physical, having to go to a class. Yeah, it's where like somebody else is wanting me to do something for them in a few months. So it's gonna be interesting how this plays out. But it's an amazing day out, and I'm excited just to be out, see if we can't help some people. And why are people putting dumb exhausts on cars? Did you hear that? That was a station wagon with a truck bed. Just don't stop it. So this is the first time I've done anything. It's been a half hour. And I'm extremely tired, sore, but I feel good. Just need water. Oh my God. So just finished, shut up. So I just finished my volunteer at the farm. It was actually really, really fun. I had a lot of time, blah, I'm tired, hungry, but no, I had a lot of fun doing it. It's really cool to be able to like come out and meet some people that are genuinely trying to make a difference. So I think I'm gonna keep doing it. Time to recover and get ready to do tonight, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. But it's not something that I can do. So we can just keep going, push on, put this back to us. So now, I don't know what I'm gonna make. So I'm getting ready to go to a meeting with some friends, and then after that I might have a shoot tonight. I don't know. He's supposed to be getting a hold of me. He was talking to me up until a little bit ago, but apparently, like with most things, when people kind of like say they're gonna be there, I can't expect them to actually be there. And I'm trying to do like this positive thing to where I just expect people to actually show up. Like, I don't get that. Like, if I say, hey, we should hang out sometime, inherently the next person will come back and just be like, yeah, definitely, we should. The issue with that is it just seems like it never actually happened, which is annoying, which is why I try to stay to right now. What do you want to do with me right now? Because in the future, I don't know what I'm doing, and I can't trust you to stick to it. That's just where I'm at today, and I don't like it. I would like to get to a place to where I can go have fun and enjoy myself and have a solid group of people around me who just really want to go out and live life. So that's what I'm up to. Subscribe, like, hit the bell, do all the things. Thank you.